Okay, so when we have a new account, a new Pipedrive account, we actually want to upload our previous data to Pipedrive. So I've prepared an Excel file and I'm going to go to import data, click on the green button, choose the file, and then I'll show you with the hard way. So import without the AI. Probably the AI can help you very much with it, but I want to show you the hard way. So we need to make sure the spreadsheet column will be equal to the Pipedrive data field. So let's see. Person name, first name, last name. Okay, email. All right. Address, deal title, value. Okay, so there is no problem here, but let's imagine that we need to replace that one. So all we need to do is you need to find, let's say, a note. Okay, so what you do is basically so imagine that one was missing. Yeah, so let's write here note, and then note content, and then we drag it, and then we basically assign the note content is our note content. Okay, and then we click on next, we check it. Okay, merge data, create, yes, merge, obviously merge. And that's it. Now we basically imported the data and we are ready to go.